how many calories do you need if you're eating fruits? Like, a lot of people are concerned about losing weight when they're fruits. Some people want to gain weight when they're fruits. Now, it's true, the number of calories you eat, if it's greater than the number of calories you burn, you will gain weight. But when you're detoxing, the goal is not about calories. The goal is about cleaning out the body, and you need to take less calories than normal, and you will lose weight. But you won't lose weight because of the calories per se. You're losing weight because the body is cleaning the house. Okay, it's cleaning itself. It's removing obstruction and mucus, and you can go to a very low level of body weight, but the body stops at a certain level. For instance, for me, for example, no matter how little I eat, I can't drop below a certain body weight. Okay, that's my normal. So after it's cleaned itself, it stops. And then you start gaining weight the right way. If you're a bodybuilder, you want to gain muscle mass with fruits, then you increase the calories of avocados, bananas, papaya, or any high dense calorie fruit, dates, coconut, flesh. These will help you gain the weight as well, okay? But if you're trying to heal, you want to go on citrus fruits, grapes, melons, and get rid of the obstruction inside you. And then after that's done, you can take the steps to gain good weight back, okay? Good healthy weight.